So how often or how frequent do you need to do blood tests in pregnancy? Do we need to do it monthly? Definitely not. So once we have done the set of blood tests in the first trimester, or that is after your pregnancy has been confirmed, then we will be repeating a test called double marker right after your NT scan. So between 11 to 13 weeks, NT scan is done. Along with that, we do a blood test called double marker test. After that, at 24 weeks, around the 6th month of pregnancy, sometimes in some cases we may need to do it earlier itself at the 5th month, but these blood tests will include again a CBC, complete blood count, because during pregnancy there is expansion of blood volume and some amount of fall in hemoglobin is expected. And that is why we repeat a hemoglobin test or a complete blood count. After this, we also do something called a glucose tolerance test. So this test is done essentially to rule out if you have developed diabetes in pregnancy. So pregnancy is a diabetic state. So some people may develop diabetes without having any symptoms. Therefore, this screening is done universally for all pregnant women. This test is done minimum after 8 hours of fasting. A fasting sample is drawn. Then a glucose load of 75 grams, you have to drink it. In the lab itself, we will mix 75 grams and give it to you to drink. Once you drink the glucose, 2 hours later, another blood test is repeated. This test is called 75 grams glucose tolerance test. This is the second test to be done at 24 weeks. Apart from this, we repeat a thyroid screening TSH, and we also do a urine routine to look at again if you have any asymptomatic infection. So these are the tests that we do at 24 weeks. After this, in your third trimester, we repeat your CBC and urine test. Firstly, to look at is your hemoglobin optimum for delivery, which is very essential. We would like to keep the hemoglobin at least minimum above 11. The reason being, at the time of delivery, we cannot estimate which patient is going to have heavy blood loss, which patient is going to have minimal blood loss, and that is why it is essential to optimize it at 11, so that even if there is a little minimal drop in the hemoglobin, your body is able to tolerate it. And the urine routine is done again to rule out any urinary infection.